Good morning, you all students of Standard 6. I want you to be with me right now to continue our discussion on the unit subject verb agreement. Children, we have already completed many of the worksheets, and now this next one, which is number 10th unit, worksheet, not unit. Now the worksheet which we have to resume to start, that is worksheet number 10, and in this worksheet what we have to do, let us see from the worksheet itself. Look at add question tags to the following statements. The first one has been done for you. Kanu has invited her friends, hasn't she? Now second, Pratik does not like to miss his school. Does he? Does Pratik? Any of these two can be used. Third number, Yamini was not angry with you. Was she? Fourth number, you enjoy watching films. Don't you? Fifth number, the trucks have not crossed the river yet. Have they? Now sixth number, you see, you aren't enjoying this, are you? Seventh number, he is going abroad, isn't he? Eighth number, they are preparing a project, aren't they? Ninth number, he was late by 10 hours, wasn't he? 10 number, we were not happy with this work, were we? This is how you have to make question tags. Now look at what you have to remember. An affirmative sentence is followed by a negative question tag. A negative sentence is followed by an affirmative question tag. Tense and helping verb do not change in the question tag. Tense and helping verb do not change in the question tag, but subject may get changed. For Pratik, he, and in the same manner, there may be some changes according to the context. This is what you have to remember, that an affirmative sentence is followed by a negative question tag, while a negative sentence is followed by an affirmative question tag. Now let us proceed to do it yourself. Now what is in the first question of do it yourself you look at here? In the given sentences, both the subject and the verb are in the singular form. Change them to the plural form. Make other changes in the sentence wherever required. The first one has been done for you. Now look at a planet revolved around the sun. Now here it is a planet, but now when you have to make changes, when you have to make plural, then a planet will be changed into planets and revolved into revolve. Now the sentence which has to be made, plural form of the first one, planets revolve around the sun. Now look at second number, fishes breathe through gills. Now see number, this boy goes to the library every week. These boys go to the library every week. Now D number, the maid cleans the floor daily. Now you have to frame plural sentence. The maids clean the floors daily. Now E number, that dog barks at strangers. Now the plural sentence, those dogs bark at strangers. Now F number, a girl is speaking with a rope. Now the plural sentence, the girls are skipping with ropes. Now G number, she laughs loudly. They laugh loudly. H number, each one of us was tired after the long walk. All of us were tired after the long walk. Here you can make another sort of sentence also, not with much difference, with slight difference. All of us were tired after the long walks. It depends upon you, whether long walk or long walks. And I number, each of the passengers was carefully checked. All of the passengers were carefully checked. Now J number, that woman is waiting to see you. Those women are waiting to see you. In this manner, you have to make plural forms of some of the words from the sentences and make plural sentence in totality. Now look at second number, question number 2. Sudha is talking to her friend Kaumudi on the telephone. She is upset with her teenage son Vaibhav. Choose the correct verb form to fill in the blanks below. The first one has been done for you. Now look at Sudha. Hello, I am Sudha. You are looking at that there are 3 options, was, are, am. Now you have to select right one. That's what has been done here. For your understanding, for your benefit, am has been selected out of these 3 options. Now from Kaumudi you have to do yourself. Yes, it is me, Kaumudi. You sound upset. Any problem? Sudha, I am concerned about my son Vaibhav. Am you have to select. Has is not possible here according to subject verb agreement. Now Kaumudi, he, fine, I, supposes. Here there are 2 blanks and there are 2 options for each blank. Now look at, he is fine, I suppose. Here in first blank is and in second suppose. He is fine, I suppose. Sudha, he is quite well, thank you, but he glued to his phone. Now again 2 options. You have to select one, but he is glued to his phone. Is correct here. Kaumudi, don't worry. These days many teenagers like that. Now are were. Are is correct here. Don't worry, these days many teenagers are like that. Sudha, well, I was not like that. Here is not possible because she is talking about her past life when she was a teenager or a teenage, when she was below her 19 years. Sudha says, Sudha, well, I was not like that. When I was a teenager, I didn't spend is correct, not don't spend. I didn't spend as on the phone. I, now again options are given. Worked works, you have to select one. I worked hard, and again there are 2 options, helped. Helped will be correct here because she is talking about her past. And helped my parents. So this is how you have to fill in these blanks. Now Kaumudi, I, again 2 options, knows, no. I know. Vaibhav is surely lucky to have parents like you and Harris. He, now 2 options, have and will. You have to select will here. He will gradually realize. Now question number 3rd. Read the poem. This is 3rd number of do it yourself. Read the poem given below. There is an error in each line as the poem has not been edited. Underline the error and write the correct word in the space given. The first one has been done for you. Now look at living in a paradise. There are a place across the ocean. R is wrong. is already given here. First one is done for you. Now from second, you have to do yourself. Where there are sand for miles and miles, instead of are, you have to write is. Where there is sand for miles and miles. Now next number, there people plays music. You know it, people is plural, so plays singular verb form cannot be used. That's why underline this plays and write play. Play is correct here. There people play music and everybody smile. Everybody is singular, so singular verb is required, so smiles will be correct. Underline this smile and write smiles right side. Now next, you doesn't need to have any money. Now you have to write don't here. Doesn't, underline doesn't and then don't. You don't need to have any money. And you don't need clothes. And you don't, with don't you know it, the first form of verb is used. That's why underline this needs and then write need right side. Now look at next number. There aren't much work to do. There isn't, underline aren't and then write isn't much work to do. Just watch as the ocean roll. The ocean is singular, that's why verb must be singular. That's for that reason roll is to be underlined here, and on the right side against it in the blank you have to fill up rolls, ROLLS, rolls. There are a lot of time to relax. Now are is wrong here. There is a lot of time. A lot of may be plural, but this a lot of requires plural noun and time is not plural, singular. That's why are is not possible here. You underline are here and then against it in the blank you write is. There is a lot of time to relax. Next number, I long to move to that place. Again long is not possible here. Underline it and write long, L-O-N-G, long for it against this sentence in the blank. Next number, where there is no problems. Here if is then problem, and if you want to make it are, if you want to show the multiplicity of problems, then is to be underlined. Where there are no problems. Next number, and no one am ever bored, and no one am is wrong here. With no one am can never be used. So and no one is ever bored. Instead of am you have to fill up in this gap with is. So this is how you have to remember the rules of subject verb agreement, and you have to use the correct form of verbs in the places where they are most suitable, most befitting. Children, in this manner, this is the end of your today's class. Now wait for the next video. Be ready, be attentive, go on reading, studying, repeating, reciting, recalling, recapitulating, and try to do your proper work every day. And in this manner, try to modulate yourself, try to improve yourself for the time to come. Thank you very much.